what exactly is an AI agent? You've used something like ChatGPT. You ask a question, it gives an answer, and you do all the steps yourself. That's a chatbot. An AI agent is different in one fundamental way. You give it a goal, and it does the steps. It plans the work, uses tools like a browser or your email, checks its own results, and keeps going until the job is done. A chatbot is an assistant sitting next to you. An agent is an employee. And like an employee, an agent needs three things to actually work. First is a job description. Clear instructions for what it's responsible for. Vague instructions are the reason most agents fail. Second is tools, because an agent needs access to the real apps where your work happens. And third, memory. A working agent remembers how you like things done and gets better every week, while a chatbot starts from zero every conversation. The first link in the description below gets you $1,000 in free credits to get started, which is the cheapest way to find out what an AI team can do for your business. Thanks for watching.